Affirmations for Caring Courage. Tape 03 from the series Caring Courage. Scripts created and spoken by neuroleadership coach Rob Botts. Introduction to the Caring Courage tape. This tape will help you to integrate caring and courageous actions into your thought processes. Caring and courage are not opposites. They are two interrelated qualities. Empathy provides emotional depth, while courage provides clarity of thought and direction. By repeating this process and persevering with it, you can train your brain to gradually become accustomed to this way of thinking. I recognize that true strength lies in listening with empathy and speaking courageously about what needs to be said. The approach makes me both clear and human. I know that difficult conversations only bear fruit when I protect the other person's dignity, while also stating the truth in a straightforward manner. It is this balance that gives me strength. I stand by my values, even when it becomes uncomfortable. At the same time, I make sure that people feel respected and included, which creates trust as well as direction. As a leader, I see my role in helping people grow while also making clear decisions. Bringing these two aspects together is the path to credible leadership. I know that courage without caring can feel cold, and caring without courage can become ineffective. That is why I consciously choose both. I make space for the concerns and voices of others. Yet, I'm not afraid to take responsibility for the next necessary step. This is what I call leadership with both heart and backbone. I understand that change can be challenging, so I support others through it with empathy. At the same time, I have the courage to drive change forward in a clear and decisive manner. I encourage open discussion and demonstrate firmness when making decisions, so that people feel heard and properly guided. I don't see conflicts as a threat. Rather, I see them as an important opportunity. When I approach issues with care and resolve them with courage, it ultimately will benefit our team. I know trust grows through clarity that is communicated respectfully, not avoidance. This allows me to learn and grow through every difficult situation. I do not see empathy and decisiveness as opposites. I see them as two sides of the same coin. This makes me a reliable role model. I understand that my team needs stability. This means feeling seen and knowing they can rely on me to make difficult decisions, both of which provide them with security. I know that caring, courageous action is not always easy, but it is precisely this that defines the quality of true leadership. This mindset gives me inner confidence. I remind myself that at any given moment, I can choose to be both gentle and assertive, and that this choice makes me an authentic leader. I combine the best of both worlds. I act with courage and make clear decisions, all the while showing care and empathy. This creates a leadership style that inspires trust and respect. Today, you have strengthened your thinking of caring and courageous behavior. In future situations, pay attention to the moments when you can appear both humane and clear. With each repetition, your belief that caring and courage go hand in hand grows. And this is precisely what makes your leadership authentic. Thanks for listening.